Hello! Mum? Got a barbecue going? Your body.
You know how
we've got a paddling pool, I drinks in it.
Hey! My eye. Hi! Hi!
I'm so annoying, aren't I?
Yeah.
Oh my god, don't set that on fire.
Hey, did you just call it the gun?
Yeah, but you said so far. I was too short to stick.
I love those guns. Yeah,
what if it sets the tree on fire?
It's green, it should burn.
look, you burnt me. Do green things not burn?
It's horrible putting your foot in, but once it's in, it's alright.
Yes, on my feet are used to it now.
Don't mess around because you love this thing, don't.
But does she really want... Nice burp, Key.
Such a lady.
Wow.
I'd be proud of that one.
You farted in front of me once. You farted on my bed.
Go for it. Everyone farts.
On my bed where I sleep.
Started in my bed before. I slept with air freshener. I actually did because I woke up and it was still in there.
You what? Like ones you have in the car?
In the toilet. Like the spray
with
bowl.
that.
Yeah, in case you get fired.
Every time you fart, she's like.
You've got serious issues with your bowels.
Everyone farts. It's
You should just
fine.
wear air freshener.
Yeah, but you know, you normally like hold it in, don't you, if you need to go?
No.
She won't.
Why?
Or burps.
If you open a coat, you can have like little time codes left up the curtain.
Next time I need to fart, I'm going to fart in front of you. Just to really piss you off.
It's really good that this is going on.
There's a time and a place.
Yeah.
Fart on all your pillows.
Yeah.
Do pink eye.
You'll come to our house one day and be like, oh, they
Yeah.
did it.
They went there.
Nice iron.
Such a lovely conversation.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I thought you were just taking pictures.
Oh, yeah,
You know, because I don't need to poo.
Where are we We're waiting!
Okay, you start here and then we go.
She's pooing. Why are you American? What's happening? Because I was sitting on the floor. Oh god.
Sunburn.
Saturn, you have to poo.
Oh, wow, your face.
Sunburn. No, you didn't have sunburn.
Saturn's doing a poo.
Hannah, can we film you pooing?
The cat screamed, so I couldn't
Can you open it? I'm pretty sure that is open.
look at it.
She's not even in the toilet. You went to the toilet. You sit on that and then you poo.
I know.
Thank you, Jess. How we all have a shit. That is great.
I was going to run all these shit.
It's on it. Oh, you're not meant to lie on it. That would be the.
So today in our vlogs we've documented farts and poo.
Wow, what a shit day.
Oh, are you done it?
I don't think that's going to do it.
That was actually very impressive.
I'm on fire. That is a great tan line, babe.
What's the door? That's not me.
Hey, buddy.
Locked in my toilet until I do a poo. Who are my housemates? Can you read that? I'm sorry reading that.
Oh dear.
Hashtag someone let me out.
I don't need to poo! Hello! No, I'm just eating chicken nuggets.
Oh, my pee. Can I pee?
Yeah, you and me. Can you be standing up?
If I'm falling,
In a shower, maybe.
No, pee now. I'm going to do it later and I'm going to do this.
You're like mounting it like it's a person.
Yeah, try it. Now. Can I watch?
I was going to pee watching. I'm sorry. Bad. Oh, look at this. It's so red.
We're getting worse by
I've got a mattress so I can go down the stairs.
Hold on, wait there. Yeah, in the living room.
Come on, guys. Let's cream her up. Let's cream her up.
Arms, petticocks.
The cream with you up. Look how red.
Oh dear God.
Is it E45 cream or what is it?
I'm done.
Oh, it's gonna hurt. I'm not gonna lie.
Just let it soak in. Just don't rub it in properly.
Let it soak. Did it sting yet?
No, it's okay.
Why would it sting? It's meant to soothe it.
No, sometimes after some really stings.
It smells nice.
Otherwise.
I always just lift the camera to people's faces and I have nothing to say to them, so the filming's really awkward because I'm just like, silence. I still need a wee.
It's poo time in the bedroom at PPP.
I'm a big girl. I got rid of spider.
Too much.
We're gonna throw it down on you girls.
Oh my god, it's quite easy actually.
So you're going to the lad where he lives. So if I throw it here, how do you get it back in again?
Oh no, Laura, put it on the grass.
Come take it off me.
Well, can we ask a serious question?
No, it's stuck. It won't move. Should I just put it out here for now? Just drop it. We'll collect that in the morning. We don't have a spider anymore. Can you let me in, please? We threw it in the back garden.
Do you swear on your life?
I swear on our lives we threw it in the garden. She doesn't. Open the door.
You're too high pitch.
Open the door. Open the door. Please. This is awkward. Girls. We want to play. Okay. We don't have a spider. No, we don't have a spider.
Don't do that, you're such a cunt.
There's nothing in it.
Such a cunt.
It's an empty cup.
Jen, you massive penis.
We got them. No, we threw the other cup outside. This is just another green cup.
I apologise.